Here are the tests on my brand new 2023 Project Source Pro Flush Dual Flush toilet. I have this toilet set to the water line on the flush valve. So for the first test, we will be doing a washcloth. Now, I know in my heart that this will pass with flying colors. I'm just gonna get this flat and do the first flush. Well, I guess I'll do it with the liquids flush because it's so small. Actually, let's do the big flush. Did well. Now, I will try a grocery bag as soon as I get this bucket of water in the tank. Alright, now let's try a grocery bag. Alright, here is a grocery bag. Nice. Took this whole thing with ease. Alright, I'll be back with the bucket full, and we'll try them both, and we'll try the washcloth and the grocery bag together. I'm back with the full tank. And now we will try a washcloth and a grocery bag together. Hang on, let me just get this flat. Alright. Sorry about that. Here's a washcloth and a grocery bag together. It passed. Don't worry. It's a pass. The void that's underneath, that's between the toilet and the ground, is so small that it just stuck there. But I count that as a pass. Alright, I'm gonna set you guys down for a minute because I gotta refill the tank. Alright, for the last performance test, I will try a dish towel. Alright, here goes the dish towel. Darn it. Almost. Well, that's not a pass. Well, the toilet only gets one chance, unfortunately, and it failed that test. But it's still a very good toilet. I'll be back for a dirt test. I'm back with another full tank and bucket. Alright, now I'll be trying dirt. I'm going to scoot you guys down to spread it around. Alright, here's the dirt. And just like with any other new toilet, the dirt doesn't stick. Alright, let's give this another hefty flush. I missed a spot right there. Right there. And dang, right there. Wowee. And over there as well. Gosh, I'm very disappointed. Jeez, I thought these were better. Wow, I guess I'm wrong. Boo-hoo. Well, this toilet has good performance and a bad bowl rinse. I mean, it did well. It did very well getting it out of the, it did decent getting it out of the bowl and horribly in the middle. You know, honestly, if I were to rate this bowl rinse a 1 to 10, I rate this a 6 out of 10, because that's just bad, pretty bad. All right, I'm gonna fill the tank up again, and we'll do a bonus test. Now that the tank is full, I'm going to show you the small flush. Meh. Uh-oh. I feel some raindrops. Now we'll try a washcloth with the rest of the water in the tank. See if that passed. Oh wow, the washcloth passed through with a small flush. All right, it's starting to rain. I gotta stop the video here. Goodbye.